It's been a day behind closed doors for Prime Minister Kevin Rudd. He's been bunkered down in Sydney, thrashing out changes to asylum seeker policy, which could be released as early as tomorrow.
How's it going?
Rockhampton and a beef expo are a long way from Christmas Island, but asylum seekers dominate the political debate. And Tony Abbott's happy to take on Kevin Rudd wherever he is.
What do you propose to do, Mr. Rudd? Do you want to manage the boats? Do you want to massage the boats? Do you want to welcome the boats?
The Prime Minister is considering a range of options, including reviewing our obligations under the UN Refugee Convention and how we define and assess refugees. Tony Abbott says the solution's at home.
Mr. Rudd is always trying to internationalise problems, and that's an excuse for inaction here in Australia.
We've seen far too many drownings at sea. There is nothing compassionate about that, nothing humanitarian about that.
As Kevin Rudd considers an election date, there's speculation he could announce a policy changes tomorrow, helping to clear the way for an early poll. The other issue dogging the government is a growing backlash over cutting FBT concessions for salary sacrifice cars without consulting. Leasing company NLC is cutting 80 jobs and Qantas is putting on hold any new deals.
This is just another classic policy screw-up from Kevin Rudd, and everyday Australians are paying the price.
It's the right thing to do for fairness and regarding our fiscal circumstances.
Lane Kelcott, 9 News.